Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you all my 14 fossils I found today on my dig kit. I did learn a lot about all of them, and I'm going to start with the Mosasaurus tooth. This is one of my favorite ones. So you see, this is the canine tooth, and this is the tooth. This is this really fascinated me, and I really love this one. So, on the next one, I'm going to show you my second favorite. This one is actually also a. This is not a tooth. You might think why it isn't a tooth, but it just says so. It never said it's a shark tooth. It just said it's a crow shark. This is a crow shark. It's a very nice. I love this tooth. This is a. I plan to make a necklace out of this, but the problem is I can't make a hole through this. So once I was digging, I know I accidentally put a little bit too much water on this, and that's why this part dissolved. That's why it's broken. So this is also a very fascinating one. And on my next one, I'm going to show you my, next favorite. And it's so on and so on. This one is called a trilobite. I learned about it, and what I knew that was fascinating, that it was a marine animal. It roamed in the sea. It was one of the seas. It was one of the first living animals. One of them. So this one's also a good one. This one is a coral. It's a fossilized coral. You might think it's a rock, but you notice here the small holes everywhere over here. That's why it's a coral. And it also says in my book, it also says in my book. It also has a picture in it in my book. See, it's a coral. All right, and there is a lot of them. And this is coprolite. Ew, this is actually poop. So this can actually tell how a dinosaur behaved rather than what it just eats. Okay. So this one is orth. Wait, what was this? I'll need to remember what this one is called. What is this called? Keep on forgetting my stuff. It is called Orthoceras. Yeah, it's called an Orthoceras. It's the type of. This is also a marine animal. Almost all of my fossils are marine. So this one's a good fossil too. Now I'm going to show you all my brachiopods and gastropods. So this one is a pink gastropod. This one is This one is a Sahara gastropod. This one is a clam. Like this is and what was this called? This is a brachiopod, and I don't really know what these two are. I was still researching about them, but they were hard to know. That's why I just wrote them as confused. But I still know that this whole section is gastropod section and brachio. This one's a pretty good fossil too. This one is a sea urchin. It is nice. It's hard to see though, but it's a yeah. You see, it's hard to see those lines urchins have. Like let me see. Where's that thing? Yeah, it's hard to see the lines. Hard to see the lines like this one or this one. So I wrote this as a black urchin. Okay. And my last one is is called I keep on forgetting names of all these stuff. This one's called a crinoid. I was confused in this one. I thought I was pretty confused. I was wondering, was this a dinosaur bone that looks like this? This is a dinosaur bone. Or is it a crinoid that looks like this? Write in the comment section below what do you think it is. If you chose crinoid, you have to spell it C-R-I-N-O-I-D-S. And if you thought it is a dinosaur bone, then you just write D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R space B-O-N-E. Dinosaur bone. Last but not least, I have something called an ammonite. You see, it's kind of like a shell. Looks like a shell. It is a shell, but there used to be something like a squid type animal that sticks out of here. But since the fossils or this bone that are remained, that's why it doesn't have that. And see, this is the picture. This was here, and this is fossilized. It's the fossilized version. This is the this is the version during that time. So I will see you next time. And bye. And be sure to write my question I answered. My question was this was a if this was a crinoid or if this was a dinosaur bone. Please write that in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and write the answer. I think I just told you that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.